Look. Tingnan niyo yung ulan sa labas. Naku naman talaga. Uy. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. So, I am going to post office today para mag-post ng mga items. Hindi kasi makakapunta ng post office. Kaya, sabi niya na ikaw na lang yung pumunta sa post office. Wala ka namang ginagawa. Sobrang busy kasi ni Jan. Magpapaalam muna tayo. At least tumigil na yung ulan, 'di ba? Well, it looks clearing, pero parang meron pang parang uulan pa siguro. Tingnan niyo, oh. Honey! He's welding, I can hear it. Honey! I'm going to post office. Bye-bye, I love you. Alright, bye-bye. Bye! Ang baho doon. Amoy welding. His son was here yesterday para tulungan yung papa niya, but then sobrang damay pang dapat gawin. Hindi nila natapos. Yung anak kasi niya mayroong trabaho ngayon. Matagal pa yung off niya, kasi kagagaling lang niya sa holiday. Magdadrive muna ako mga loves kasi wala tayong wala tayong paglalagyan ng camera. Okay, bye muna ha. Nandito na ako sa post office. Iiwan ko kayo dito ha. Iiwan ko kayo naka-on. Sige muna, bye. I am here. Bumili ako ng 2 sausage roll. So I hope this is good. Yung 1 piece of sausage roll, tag 1 pound and 30 pence. So, I hope it's good. Kasi medyo may kamahalan. Kasi normally, yung sausage roll dito, just under a pound. Pero, yeah. Anyway, I'm going now. Nandito na tayo. Ang lakas ng hangin. Yung mga alaga ko tumatahol kasi it's their dinner time. Well, almost dinner time. I can still hear John. He's still in the workshop. We will let him know na nandito na tayo sa bahay. Honey, I'm here. I'm here. I got something for you. Secret. I don't know what time is it. Time is 11:15. Yeah. 11:15. Right. I got sausage roll for you. Whew. Ang ginaw ng hangin. Yung anak ni Jan at yung girlfriend niya, nag-holiday sila sa somewhere in Spain. So, binigyan nila kami nito. Tingnan nyo. Diba ang cute? Oh, very cute. At ito rin. Yan. At ito rin. But I think this is from UK only. But, you know, it's a thought that counts. Maraming salamat. Kain muna ako ng sausage roll. There you go. I can smell it. Masarap sana to pag may beans. Meron ba tayong beans? Yes, meron tayong beans. So, magbi-beans tayo. Hindi ko iinitin yung sausage roll ko kasi pag ininit ko kasi siya, nagiging sagi siya. Kaya, hindi ko na lang iinitin. May hot beans naman tayo, di ba? So, yan yung dinner natin. Pasensya na, wala akong tripod ngayon.
Guys, she's been very naughty and I cast a spell upon her and look at her now. She's just got a pair of maracas and she's in a bottle with a hat on it.
Ha ha ha.
It's from España. Sangria.
How high is the third?
Oh, it's
no.
not serious.
7. It's not as bad.
No.
Smile!
If you drink too much, it's like...
Smile, sweet.
I'm smiling.
Meron tayong package. This is from eBay. I bought this from eBay.
Go on out, no?
Yes, please. Oh my gosh. I hope this is worth it, hun. Well, the money I paid for this is not bad.
What was it?
30, well, including postage, £40.
There you go along there, though.
I don't know. Be careful with that. Do not drop it. It's precious.
Precious. Like me, precious. My word, how much is this?
Oh my gosh, it's massive.
You know how big it was.
I did not realize how big is the 12 inches.
Well, what do you mean you don't know how big 12 inches is? You see 12 inches every day.
What?
When you look at your ruler in the morning.
Stop that.
On your desk. Stop that. You feel that?
It is really well packed.
Well, it has to be, doesn't it? What are you doing, darling?
Well, it's all over. Be careful now, Han.
Lay it down. She didn't want this to break, did she?
No, it's important.
Strong possibility to pop out of there now.
Be careful.
Take that.
Wow. So it's a plate.
It's not just any plate, is it?
I'm impressed, Han, how good it is.
Well, it's immaculate.
Yeah.
Is that it? It's Moorcroft,
Yeah.
England.
Be careful.
I'm careful.
Well, it looks good in a way. It looks like it is in a good condition. So for this, I got this for £36 and plus the postage, £40
Where you putting
included.
it like?
I don't know, Han. No, I keep it safe in the loft.
Don't be crazy. What you need
It's
to
in
buy
there.
is a plate stand.
Yeah, plate stand, isn't it?
So you could sit in there actually.
Yeah.
Because the colours match you actually.
Can you try to put that? I mean, you know, does it gonna fit in
That's
here?
pretty nice.
Plano namin ilagay dito sa kitchen. Hane! Do not drop it! Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. We need to get a plate stand.
You need to put it safe. And then make sure it doesn't get banged at you, because if you chip it, it's devalued straight away.
Binalik ko yung plate dito mga palangga kasi natatakot ako na mabasag. Nakita ko to sa eBay, 99 pence. More craft, 99 pence. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, hala, I will watch it. So, nakuha ko siya nga, di ba, £36 plus the the posting 40 pounds. So, sabi nila, it's a good investment, pero mas maganda talaga na more craft vase kasi yung mga plate hindi siya masyadong may value. Pero okay lang yan, may more craft tayo at it's in a good price, diba? So, hopefully lang talaga itong more craft na to, ano siya, totoo. Meron kasi mga ibang more craft na piki. So, I don't have like the proper authentication. So, ano na lang talaga, fingers crossed. So, itong binili natin is parang hit and miss. Are we gonna have a profit or is this just the value yung nabayad natin dito? Pero hindi ko muna to ibibenta. Mga isisave ko siguro to mga another 10 years. Oh dear. I'm just going to clean this mga loves. Yan. And wipe yung mga bird's poop. Yan. Kasi meron ding mga ano dito, mga dirt. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. Good morning! Mag-breakfast tayo, then tapos mag-get ready tayo to work. So, I have a leftover rice from last night. Ito siya. May adobong sitaw din ako dito. Kasi, maliit lang yung natira sa adobong sitaw ko kahapon. Magpa-fried ako ng itlog. 2 itlog. Ito na, nailagay ko na siya sa frying pan. There. So, while naghihintay tayo na maluto yan mga loves, we will empty the dishwasher. Okay? Our eggs are ready. There you go. Kain! Huwag natin kalimuting patayin ang apoy. Yan. We will clean it later. So, orange juice, sausawan, suka at tuyo, and of course, hindi mawawala ang kape. Yan. Kain muna ako mga palangga. I just had my shower. So, naalala ko itong mga palangga. Ang puti. Come on, adjust. There. Ito. I will try this on. I don't know how to pronounce the make. So, kayo nang bahala mag-pronounce. This is my first time to try this. So, this will be interesting. Kasi madami-dami ng, you know, blackheads sa nose natin. I still have time. So, pwede pa natin itong isingit. Ano to? Instruction. Okay. So, 6. Right, babasahin ko muna itong instruction. So ito siya. Yan. I-try natin muna, ha? Mukhang malaki siya sa akin, pero okay na yan. Right, I'll just gonna wash my face. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng cleansing kasi I just had my shower nga, diba? So, nagawa ko na yun. Ay, bakit ko pinunasan? Ano ba naman? Ay, basain ko na lang ulit yung ilong ko. Parang tanga, diba? Yan, basa na yung ilong ko. So, it says, peel off slowly. And sabi dito, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. I hope this is worth it. Kasi, yung mask na ginagamit ko kasi paubos na siya. So, kailangan na siyang may replacement. Sana ba yung phone ko, ha? Meron siyang amoy mga palangga. Hindi ko gusto yung amoy niya. Yeah, tama ako. Meron kaming delivery. Here he is. Ano? Ay, yung wagon pala. Kinukolekta yung mga chassis na ginawa ni John. Yan. To be galvanized. Hala, yung phone ko mga palangga, hindi na ako nire-recognize. Come on. Ayaw talaga niya. Kailangan nating lagay yung passcode manually. Normally kasi, nag-activate siya by face. Pero, hindi. Kasi, meron akong mask. So, 15 minutes. Right. Sumisigaw na yung alarm ko. Shh! There you go. Kukuha muna ako ng salamin, ha? There you go. Makati siya ay. Ow, it's painful, ha? Ow. Tiis ganda talaga, ay. Pero in fairness, ha? Madami siyang nakuha. There, hindi ko alam kung nakikita ba sa camera. Come on. Marami siya nakuha, mga loves. Sinusuri talaga mabuti, no? I just find it satisfying na there's a lot of blackheads na nakuha. I know probably some of you find it gross, but, well, iba-iba tayo. Hugasan ko muna yung face ko kasi, oh, meron siyang, parang naiwan dito. Diary. Binili ko sa eBay. Diary for 2020. Diba? Organized. I need to be organized. I'm trying to. Oh, meron din siyang kasamang pen. Sobrang cute ng kulay niya. Yan. Find the beauty in everyday 2020. Yan. At meron siyang pen dito. I did not expect na meron pala siyang kasamang pen. I hope yung pen niya is black. Ano ba to? Paano ba to? Ganyan lang ba? No, it's blue. It's typical. Blue yung pen niya. Well, anyway, maglalagay tayo ng black pen dyan. So, ito yung loob niya. Yan. Yan. There you go. I'm organized. We're going to our greenhouse and check our melon. Hello! I'm just gonna go to the greenhouse and check the melon. Ah, ang lamig! John said our melon is not growing. Ito na lang siguro yung size niya. Yung second melon natin, it looks like it's not growing. And yung first one, I don't know. The plants are dying as well.
I think it's time to
Look.
collect it, darling, that one.
Yeah, it's time
And
to
just see what
collect
happens
it.
to that one.
Yeah.
We'll leave it a bit longer.
No, we will pick it up.
There's your melon.
Thank
They're not
you.
much bigger than that when you buy them anyway, are they?
Yeah. Well, some of them are bigger, but they are not as big as the
See
watermelon.
what this one does. Just leave that.
Yeah. I think because of the frost, honey.
It could be. It could be.
Yeah, they did not really grow. Well, this one did not grow much. The second melon.
Well, it's still growing though, isn't it?
I know.
See that? Well,
So
must
this
have
is
grown-
it.
They must be miniature. You can't, it's hard yet, is that? It's not ready for eating.
No, it's not ready for eating.
No, I'll just leave it in the house for a while.
Yeah, so I don't know how good it is, but hopefully this is good. Are you ready? Our homegrown melon?
Melon.
Yeah,
Melon.
melon.
Cantaloupe.
Yeah, it's a cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
Well, cantaloupe is still family of melon. Yeah. Where are you going, sweetheart? Workshop. I am getting ready for work na. It's a shame ay parang yung melon natin naapektahan sa frost kasi when was that? Nag-frosty talaga siya dito. I think last week ata yun. Sobrang frosty niya. So kawawa yung mga plants natin. Kahit nasa greenhouse sila, ano pa din sila, naapektahan ng frost. Aalis na tayo mga loves. Medyo maaga tayong aalis ngayon kasi nung Monday, hindi ko nagawa yung care plan ko. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung care plan is para sa mga residents. It needs to be updated monthly. And meron akong dalawang care plan na gagawin. Kung hindi ko magagawa yung care plan ngayon, nako, I will get told. So far, hindi pa naman ako napagsabihan. I'm just putting my socks on. Mahirap pala, oy. There you go. Huh. Tingnan nyo si Mr. Nag-order na naman si Mr. ng parang siya lalagyan ng mga gamit. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya ilalagay yan. I don't have my tripod with me as usual. Hindi kasi ako I don't bring my tripod pag nasa trabaho ako or like for example, nag-grocery kami, hindi ko dinadala yung tripod kasi parang sobrang obvious, 'di ba, na nagba-vlog ka. So as much as possible, I want to like keep it quiet. I'm sniveling ay tumutulo na naman yung sipon ko. Naglagay kasi ako ng konting makeup kasi lately hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but sobrang daming pimples na tumutubo dito. Kaya ayun, tinakpan ko ng concealer. Grabe ang ulan dito mga palangga. Araw-araw na lang. Araw at gabi talaga. Tara, puntahan natin si Mr. sa workshop. Hello girls, Mama is going to work. Okay. John is on the phone. It looks like my tire needs... Okay lang ba yan? Mukhang flat. I need John to check that. What do you think, Fipa and BB? Do you think Mama's tire is deflated?
You what?
It's alright.
570.
Okay.
18570 13. Yeah. Right.
Okay daw.
That'll do then. So,
Bye-bye, honey. See you later. Yeah, it's very cold. Gosh. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Uy. Jeez. Lamig na kagad. Hello mga palangga. So I am home. Aray, uy. See, madilim na dito. Jan, as usual, is waiting for me. Yeah, it's freezing. It's 11 degrees outside.
Welcome home, my princess. Have you had a hard day?
Very, very hard
She told me
day.
anything.
It is very hard, always.
Working. Yeah.
So, yeah, ito na yung vlog natin mga palangga. Dito na natin tatapusin yung vlog natin for today. So, I will see. Oh, it's fogging.
It's because it's coming to the warm.
Yeah. Oh, dear. So, yun na mga palangga. Good night. Mwah, mwah.